Hey guys, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models. This is aircraft peeler, stripper, base coat, clear coat remover. Now, they make this for plastic, guys. If you want to try it on plastic bodies. I've got some. I tried it on one, but the one I used, it had putty. I had to level off the roof and the trunk, and it was stripping the paint for sure. But when it got to the putty, it got gummy. So you got to watch that. But this, I'm using on over here. You can see it's starting to bubble. This one, I kind of wire brushed it. It was pretty bad. But this stuff's starting to work. Now, the problem with this Tonka, it's good. I mean, it was made in 1960. So this Tonka yellow paint is baked on. And it's got the base coat on it, which I read on was also baked on it. So it's a tough thing to get. I'll let you know. I'll do an update later. I wanted to show you some of the parts I already got. I got some already. I already did. And they stripped out pretty easy. But the hard body part, the shell part and stuff, it's not coming off real smooth. I got a brush I'm going to use on it. It says to blow it off. I got my air hose here. I'm going to try that first, and then I'm going to hit it with a brush. And guys, keep a bucket of water and a hose handy. Guys, I got this crap on me. When I first tried it, about 4 weeks ago on a buddy's, I did a Tonka truck, the dump truck. You might have seen it. And look at the rubber gloves. I got rubber gloves here. I put the small blue ones on, and then I used the big ones. I got it on my hands. And guys, it like to ate the skin off. I mean, you talk about a burn. I was wiping it off with rags, running in circles. And I finally got around to getting to the water in the garage at the sink. But by the time I got there, it burnt me pretty good. And I learned a lesson. Keep water handy. That's to dunk your hands in. Water neutralizes this almost instantly. When I put my hands in the water, the burning stopped. But the damage was done. So just wanted to tell you that and get that caution out there for you. Again, it's aircraft spray. It's not for airplanes. It tells you on the can later on down here not to use on certain parts of an airplane. I don't know why maybe it's just tough enough to strip an airplane. But this is the metal one. You got to look here. The other one says plastic. Flexible plastic. And that would be on your cars, guys. For the real cars in your driveway, it would work. This shit will work for like door panels or something like that you want to repaint or strip. I can see it working great. They make this in, they also make this in like a 6.5 ounce can. And then like a, I don't know what it is. It looked like almost a half gallon. And you can brush it on. Now, I was told that works better. But I don't have that big a project. I thought a Tonka, use this. It's just a Tonka, for God's sakes. Well, as you can see, almost 10 minutes. This is bubbling some. Some of it's working, but look at the black. This black chassis. It's tough, boys. These old Tonkas, these 60s, they made these things, Now I know why I'm restoring this, because it's good. But I'll get this down and I'll sand it. If I can't get all the paint off, I'll definitely sand it out and prime it, a couple layers of primer, and wet sand it, and then shoot it. So, I mean, I can only put so much time in this. I got another transport boat marina trailer in there with some boats I got to do for a guy. This is for my grandson, so. But that's it. You can get the can, you can get the brush on stuff. I thought I had to, hey, all right, let's walk in here. I'll show you the plastic stuff, because I used this on another body, guys. I did this on a Dodge Charger that I didn't care about, and it works. It took the paint off. You just got to stay there. You got to get ready. It says 10 minutes. It took me to strip off regular enamel paint with no clear coat about 6 minutes, and it was ready to get off. See? flexible plastic. This stuff right here, guys, instead of, it's about $9.99. O'Reilly's has it. Advanced Auto had it. My Lowe's didn't have it. So, but the auto parts stores got it. If you want to strip a body, just, you know, you got paint on it, you got some runs, I don't know, fisheye in it or something. It will take the paint off in about six or 7 minutes. And you can basically use paper towels to wipe it off with on a plastic body. Now, I haven't used it on one with clear coat, but it will take clear coat off. You might have to wait the full 10 minutes or so, and then and maybe wipe it off, the clear coat and the base, and then shoot it one more quick time for a few minutes to get the bottom layer off. But again, Al Spence here for Gulf Coast Custom Models, using aircraft paint stripper sealer. I gotta go, guys. I got my leg braces and stuff on. I can only stay up so long, and I gotta try to get these parts off the ground and at my bench. So I'll give you an update later on what it looked like when I got finished here. Take care. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.